on my microphone to find out why it wasn't working.
No worries. What can I do for you?
Okay, shoot. Let me go back to this email real quick. You were saying I mean, I know it wasn't transferred where? Okay. Anywho, can you still hear me?
Oh yeah, you're good.
Oh, okay. The offer that I sent the young lady, not the one where the realtor was acting crazy. Now, I sent you in the Discord like the original, the original offer that I sent her with for the 248 on the purchase price, seller finance. But then she counters with, she said that my apologies, I missed your email. I am copying over to our sales team, and then she sends me that I guess those are terms. I attached the seller finance terms that the seller will accept, is what she said on the email.
Okay. What are those terms?
All right, for the purchase price, she has 225.
Okay.
For the down payment, 45,000.
Well, that's already a problem.
Right.
And then
Loan
she
amount
won't.
180.
Okay. Well, I mean, I can tell you right off the gate, we're way over on our entry fee percentage. Our threshold, our max is 20%. We're at 25 and a half.
Right.
And that's solely because the down payment. So the most that we're going to give them, we're willing to give them is 20.
What, 20,000 for the down payment?
Yeah.
Okay, so should I counter her?
Yeah, absolutely. Say, hey, I appreciate that. The best that we're going to be able to do as a down payment is $20,000. Let me
Okay,
know if
but
that works.
the purchase price is, I guess it's all right, I guess.
The purchase price is fine. What
Hmm.
are they listing it for?
They were listening for them. Go back to my original email real quick. I think the original was like 240.
Yeah, we can do the original $240,000 purchase price, but it's going to be $20,000 down. Seller financing $220,000. What is this place going to rent for?
Let me see, go back real quick. Oh, let me get my notes. Hold up. All right. It had the estimated rent like on the deal sniper, right?
Correct.
Let's see, that was a 4 bedroom, 2 bath. Already been on the Redfin for 125 days. Actually, I think Mr. James Walkhoff or whatever his name is. I think that's one of Mills's lenders. But like on the original down payment, monthly payment at 800. So it's probably gonna rent for at least 12.
That seems a little low.
Mm-hmm.
Does Deal Sniper say the rent is 12?
Do you want me to put those original numbers back in Deal Snipe real quick?
Yeah, maybe put the address back in just so we can make sure we get the actual
Okay,
rent.
I'll do that. 3835. Okay, I turned it off. 38122. All righty. Okay. Deal Sniper has a original purchase price 247,500. Seller finance amount 230,175. Estimated rent at 1654.
Okay, yeah, that's better. And then
Then the
you said the
monthly
monthly
payment
payment was 8.
711.22.
All right, so we'll do 6 7.
Then it had the original down payment at 17,325.
So what we'll offer them is a $240,000 purchase price, $700 a month, and $20,000 down. That's the highest we can. Well, that's the highest we can go on the down payment. Now, if you want
So
to entice them a little bit more with the monthly, you can give them $1,000 a month. Oh, wait a minute. No, no, no. Stop. That's all wrong. The taxes and insurance aren't in here. What are the taxes and insurance?
taxes, insurance, HOA zero, taxes 1513, insurance yearly 945, then
Okay.
total PETA is 91605.
All right. So what about 800? Yeah. Tell them you'll do $240,000 purchase price,
Uh-huh.
$20,000 down, $800 a month. But that's literally the highest we can do on the down payment. We can't go any higher. I mean, technically we could. We can go to $24,000 if that'll. If they say 25, then you can say okay.
On the down payment.
Yeah. If they counter back, what about 25,000? Then you can say okay,
Okay.
because that's
All right,
only going to
man.
be slightly
Go
higher.
ahead and email her now then.
Okay. Well done.
Should I just let her know, well, my buyers or my, I guess, equity partners.
No, you can say your buyers. That's fine.
Oh,
You can say, hey, look, my buyers gave me their parameters for the numbers, and I'm just
mm-hmm.
going to shoot you straight. The most I can do is $24,000, maybe 25.
Okay, well, I'm gonna counter her with the 21st.
Yeah, and just tell them like
See what she said.
they have their margins that they'd like to be in, and
Right,
that stipulates 25,000 or $20,000. If that works, great, we can move forward. If not, no big deal. Good
right.
luck to you guys, and then just follow up with them in a month.
Okay, now, um, on this other one where the realtor was acting real snotty,
Okay.
should I get like me a realtor partner here where I live so she can make offers for me?
No, no, no,
No.
no. Just follow up with that. Follow up with that realtor in a month. The realtor's just being. A lot of realtors don't like wholesalers because they've been screwed over by bad wholesalers.
Right, right.
So it's not really their fault for being as
Snarky.
defensive as they're being. So just follow up in a month and maybe just shoot them a different type of email. Maybe one that's a little more heartfelt. Look, I don't know if you have bad experience with wholesalers or seller financing, but that's not the way we do things. Here's what I'm actually asking for. I'm asking you to give me an opportunity to put this under contract for 2 weeks. I've got a bunch of buyers that I know would be interested in it. As soon as I figure out which one of them will take it, we can go ahead and close, and we can even cover the buyer side of your commission. If you
Right.
guys are going to be open to that, let me know. If not, then no big deal. And then move on to another deal.
Okay, I got you. All righty, 240 on the purchase price, 20,000 down, 800 monthly. All right, I'm finna shoot her email right now.
All right, cool. Good luck. Let me know how it goes.
I will.
Perfect. Did you need anything else?
No, that was it.
Awesome. Well, then have a great day.
Okay, you too.
See ya. Bye bye.